Hi, my name is Jennifer Martinez, and I'm going to teach you how to calculate molar mass. Some fundamentals that you need to know about the mole is the mole is a unit of measurement for atoms, which is equivalent to 6.002 times 10 to the 23rd power. This number is also known as Avogadro's number. To find the weight of an element, you can look on the periodic table underneath the element symbol. This weight is given in grams. This is equivalent to 1 mole of that particular element. Therefore, Avogadro's number and 1 mole are equal and can be used as conversions. This will be helpful for when we are calculating the mass. For calculating the mass of an element, you need to find the weight of that element on the periodic table, multiply the weight by the number of atoms, and finally that product is the answer of that in grams. So let's do an example. What is the mass of 2 atoms of copper? So first we're going to look on our periodic table. On my periodic table, it says that copper is equal to 63.546 grams per mole of copper. Now we're going to multiply that number, the weight of copper, by the atoms of copper, which is 2. So that would be 63.546 grams times 2. This would equal 127.092 grams. And this is the mass of 2 atoms of copper in grams. Next, we're going to calculate the mass of a compound. In order to do this, we need to find the weight of each element in the compound. If any element in the compound has more than 1 atom, we're going to multiply the number of atoms for that element by the element's weight. Then we are going to add the weight of all the elements together. The resulting product of the weight of the compound is in grams per mole, or g-mole. So now we're going to do an example problem. To find the weight in grams of iron 3 oxide, or Fe2O, oxygen 3. So first, we're going to find the weight of each element. For iron, it is 55.845 grams per mole, or atom. For oxygen, its weight is 15.999 grams per mole. Next, we're going to multiply each element by the amount of atoms in this compound. So for iron, we have 2 atoms. So therefore, we would multiply 55.845 together. And for oxygen, we would multiply 15.999 times 3. This would result in 111.690 for the weight of the 2 iron atoms and 31.998 grams for the 3 oxygen atoms. Now we will add both of these weights together. This will result in the final product. That is 143.688 grams per mole. This resulting product is the weight of this compound, iron 3 oxide. What you should have learned from this presentation is how to find the mass of an element or a compound using the periodic table. This will be very useful for your chemistry journey. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and that it helps you in your future.